Welcome to Schmidt & Clark Law Firm, steadfast in helping individuals and families since 1992. The Kugel Hernia Mesh Patch, a beacon of hope in hernia repair, emerged under the aegis of medical advancement. Yet, its journey took an unforeseen turn, enveloped in controversy and concern. Crafted to offer a novel solution to hernia sufferers, the Kugel Mesh Patch heralded a new era in surgical repair. But beneath its promise lay hidden perils. The FDA has performed a literature review of barrier-coated and hybrid mesh patches to assess the complication rates associated with these devices. At least 45 full-text articles published over the course of 11 years were found to provide sufficient detail for further review. These articles described results from 9 randomized controlled trials RCTs, 7 prospective cohorts, 20 retrospective cohorts, and 9 case reports and series. The search terms included types of hernia meshes and types of hernias ventral incisional umbilical, inguinal. The complications that were analyzed in these articles included hernia recurrence, reoperation for recurrence, reoperation for mesh-related complications, surgical site infections, mesh infections, chronic pain, bowel adhesions, bowel obstruction, bowel fistula, hematoma, seroma, abscess, organ space infection, wound dehiscence, fascial disruption, separation and opening of a deep surgical wound, and death. The Kugel Hernia Mesh Patch recall has brought to light severe health repercussions for those affected, including organ perforations and chronic intestinal fistulae, due to its faulty memory recoil ring. According to a 2017 study by the National Center for Biotechnology and Information, many cases of Kugel hernia mesh recurrence after revision surgery occur due to mesh retraction or contraction, which exposes the previous defect. Retractions can also cause ripping of the mesh medical devices at transracial suture sites, resulting in defects within the mesh. Primary failure, infection, loss of domain, and failed CR-barred hernia mesh devices have also been noted in patients who suffered a recurrence of ventral hernias. These medical complications have necessitated additional surgeries and long-term healthcare for many patients. In response to the significant injuries reported, Kugel has settled lawsuits amounting to millions, including a notable $380 million settlement to resolve over 7,600 cases, reflecting the serious impact on patients' lives, but on average, plaintiffs get $50,000 to $250,000 in hernia mesh lawsuit settlements. If the plaintiff suffers a serious injury, the hernia mesh lawsuit settlement could be up to $100,000. Today, the Kugel Hernia Mesh Patch stands as a testament to the complex interplay between medical innovation and patient safety. For those affected, the path to justice is being paved by legal advocates, determined to hold accountable those responsible for the oversight. At Schmidt & Clark Law Firm, we're at the forefront of this fight for justice. If you or a loved one has been impacted by the Kugel Hernia Mesh Patch, we're here to lend our expertise and support. Your story matters, and we're committed to ensuring your voice is heard.